Hello, everyone. The video shows how to get a Shopify free trial. Shopify is a popular platform for creating shopping websites. If you want to create an online store and don't know programming, Shopify is the best choice. Shopify offers a 3-day free trial now. Firstly, go to Shopify.com. Then select some options according to your needs. Then sign up with a mail, Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. Here, I use an email and password. Now the Shopify account is created, and you can upload products, set payment, and start your usines. You can use the 3-day free trial to modify your online store. Shopify gives a promotion, $1 per month for first 3 months. Create your Shopify online store now.